What happened to the amazing life of Derek Bieri from Vice Grip Garage? Derek Bieri, the man behind the popular YouTube channel Vice Grip Garage, is one of the most recognized faces in the online automotive restoration community. Known for his wit, ingenuity, and down-to-earth personality, Derek's journey from rural North Dakota to becoming a celebrated figure in the car enthusiast world is nothing short of inspiring. His life and career reflect not just his passion for cars but also his commitment to teaching, entertaining, and inspiring others. Yet, the question remains, what truly happened to Derek Bieri's amazing life, and how did he build such a lasting legacy? Early life and influences. Derek Bieri was born on May 16, 1984, in Minot, North Dakota, and grew up on a farm surrounded by miles of open fields and plenty of machinery in need of repair. From an early age, Derek was immersed in a culture of self-reliance. Watching his father, grandfather, and uncles work tirelessly to keep tractors, trucks, and farm equipment running instilled in him a deep appreciation for resourcefulness and a love for mechanical challenges. These formative experiences laid the foundation for his future endeavors. Unlike many children who were drawn to sports or academics, Derek found his joy in the garage, where he learned how to rebuild engines, diagnose mechanical problems, and salvage vehicles that others had abandoned. His family's fix-it-yourself attitude became a core principle that would later define his approach to automotive restoration. The transition to corporate life. Despite his love for cars, Derek initially pursued a career outside the automotive industry. His early professional life saw him climb the corporate ladder, holding various positions, including that of a company president and even as C-level executive. While he achieved significant success in the corporate world, Derek felt a growing sense of dissatisfaction. The structured environment of corporate life left little room for creativity, and he longed to return to his roots, to the grease-stained tools and the smell of gasoline that had defined his youth. The turning point came when Derek realized that his true passion lay in sharing his knowledge of car restoration. He wanted to create a platform where he could teach others how to restore vehicles on a budget, using simple tools and practical methods. This realization marked the beginning of Vice Grip Garage. The birth of Vice Grip Garage. In 2018, Derek launched Vice Grip Garage on YouTube, a channel dedicated to automotive restoration, budget-friendly builds, and car rescues. The premise of the channel was straightforward: find old, neglected vehicles that most people would consider junk, and bring them back to life using basic tools and techniques. What set Vice Grip Garage apart from other automotive channels was Derek's unique style. His videos were a blend of humor, practical advice, and relatable storytelling. Whether he was resurrecting a rusted-out truck from a barn or driving an old beater hundreds of miles back home, Derek's infectious enthusiasm and unfiltered honesty resonated with viewers. Another key factor in the channel's success was Derek's emphasis on accessibility. He often used affordable tools and materials, proving that automotive restoration wasn't just for professionals with expensive equipment, it was for anyone willing to get their hands dirty. This approach democratized the world of car restoration and inspired countless viewers to take on their own projects. Rising popularity and impact. Vice Grip Garage quickly gained traction, amassing a loyal fan base of car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics. As of 2024, the channel boasts over 1.2 million subscribers and more than 250 million views. Derek's videos have become a source of entertainment, education, and inspiration for people around the globe. One of the most remarkable aspects of Derek's content is its authenticity. Unlike some creators who focus on high-budget projects, Derek embraces the imperfections of his builds. He shows the trial-and-error process of car restoration, from unexpected setbacks to creative problem-solving. This transparency not only makes his videos more relatable but also reinforces the idea that failure is an essential part of learning. Derek's work extends beyond YouTube. He has participated in events like the Hooptie World Championship, where he showcased his skills and connected with fellow car enthusiasts. Additionally, his involvement in Motor Trend's roadworthy rescues has further solidified his reputation as a prominent figure in the automotive community. Life behind the camera. While Derek's professional life is well documented, his personal life also plays a significant role in shaping his journey. Derek is a devoted family man, sharing his life with his wife, Jessica, and their 3 sons. The Bieri family often appears in Derek's videos, adding a personal touch that endears him to his audience. The family's move from Minnesota to Tennessee was a significant milestone. This relocation allowed Derek to expand his operations and provided the family with more space to pursue their passions. The Tennessee property, complete with a spacious garage and scenic surroundings, has become the backdrop for many of his videos. In addition to his love for cars, Derek is deeply patriotic and charitable. He frequently supports veterans organizations, local charities, and other causes, reflecting his commitment to giving back to the community. Challenges and controversies. Despite his success, Derek's journey hasn't been without its challenges. Balancing a demanding content creation schedule with family life is no small feat, and the pressures of maintaining a public persona can be taxing. Moreover, as with any popular figure, Derek has faced occasional criticism from viewers and industry professionals. Some critics have questioned the safety of his methods or the feasibility of certain projects, arguing that his approach might not be suitable for everyone. However, Derek has consistently addressed these concerns with humility, emphasizing that his videos are meant to inspire and educate rather than serve as definitive guides. Legacy and future plans. Derek Bieri's story is a testament to the power of passion and perseverance. From his humble beginnings on a North Dakota farm to becoming a celebrated automotive influencer, Derek has built a legacy that transcends YouTube. His work has inspired a new generation of car enthusiasts, proving that with determination, creativity, and a willingness to learn, anyone can tackle the challenges of automotive restoration. Looking ahead, Derek shows no signs of slowing down. Whether he's expanding his channel, collaborating with other creators, or participating in community events, Derek continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of car restoration. For his fans, the amazing life of Derek Bieri is far from over, it's just getting started. Derek Bieri's journey is a testament to the power of pursuing one's passions. From his humble beginnings on a North Dakota farm to his rise as a beloved figure in the automotive world, Derek has built a legacy that goes far beyond cars. Through his videos, he has inspired millions to embrace creativity, perseverance, and the joy of problem-solving. As he looks to the future, Derek shows no signs of slowing down. Whether he's expanding Vice Grip Garage, collaborating with fellow creators, or exploring new ventures, Derek's story is far from over. For his fans, the amazing life of Derek Bieri is a reminder that with hard work, humility, and a love for what you do, anything is possible.